see that. You show them.
I see this one.
How about me?
Gulay.
Gulay. Gulay is for mama. So bagoong. How about Dinay?
Pancit canton.
Pancit canton is not good. Kau nak mandubuk tak ni?
We can shirt our hair. Look at Cyrus. He's going to our hair is longer now.
Ya. Naman si gulay.
Because I want the sayote to put it with soy so that it will grow our hair.
Adobo karud.
Mm-mm.
Adobo de sayote.
Mm-mm. Yummy, guys. We're into school.
Ha?
We're into school.
Oh,
In our school. Our own school.
why?
Because we're going to...
Ang kada da kalin hindi on. Nasi kalin man. Siam tu, Lolo. Makan.
Lupa kok
Why her sound is so very smaller.
Oh,
Nah?
oh.